In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Gemini from opening when holding the power button on Samsung. Right here, as you can see, I have a Samsung Galaxy phone. If I press and hold the power button, you can see that Gemini opens up. But I don't want Gemini to appear like this. I want the option to turn off or restart the phone when I press the power button. To do that, first of all, open the settings app on your phone. Now, depend on your phone model, the layout might look a bit different. So, I will tap on the search bar in the top or bottom center, then type side button. When the option appear, tap to open it. Now you can see the double press option which you can turn on if you like. But we are talking about the press and hold long press feature. Currently it's set to Digital Assistant or Gemini. You can change it to Bixby if you want, but most people prefer settings it to the power off menu. Let me show you how it looks now. Now when you press and hold the power button, you get the option to power off, restart, use lockdown mode or make an emergency call. Hope this helped. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel, fix your apps and share this video with your friend. Thanks for watching.